welcome back to Freshalicious. My name is Presha Bharti and welcome back to the episode number 3 of Dates Gone Wrong. I'm running this episodic on my channel for 10 days as it's my birthday and I wanted to do something special for myself and for you guys. So here it is. Let's start the episode number 3, the anxious movie date. So I had just started my undergrad. I was really new to college. It was the very first week of my college. There was this freshers, like Hindustan Times people had conducted this freshers and I participated. So I did pretty well. So there were 3 rounds. I did pretty well in the ramp walk round, and the second round was the dance round, and the third round was question answer round. I did kind of feel like it went really good. And then came the dancing round. They were playing the songs from Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. So I was like, shit dude, I should just go to them and I should request them कि please बदतमीज दिल मत बचाना, नहीं तो मैं नहीं नाच पाऊंगी उस पे. So I was like कि Presha, you really want this, you should win this competition. So how about just take this chance and go up to them and just tell them कि भैया बदतमीज दिल मत बजाना. So I went up to them और it was really loud. So I just told him कि बदतमीज दिल मत बजाना. And then when it was my chance to perform, he played बदतमीज दिल. Like उसको, I think he could not hear me because it was so loud. I said please बदतमीज दिल मत बजाना, and he played बदतमीज दिल. And boy, I was so traumatized. Like I was dancing like a robot. I was just so traumatized. That was my worst performance ever. मैंने बोला ये तो कचरा हो गया, इसका तो अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, कि उतर जाओ स्टेज से. Then I just got down the stage. I was in such a shock. What the did I do on stage? मतलब जैसे एकदम से बंदे को ट्रॉमा हो जाता है ना कि you were standing and the entire college is looking at you and you were a fresher and you just 1 week into the college and I don't know, they're like potential boyfriends or potential friends and everyone is just looking at you and you're like I was just dancing like a robot. It was such a traumatizing situation for me that I just quickly got down the stage and I just ran outside. And I was so scared. I was like, what do I do? And I just ran home then. My home wasn't really far, like it was just a block away. I went back to my home and tried to forget all about it. After a week, I got this friend request on Facebook. It was one of my seniors who was very popular. You know, when you enter the college, there are few popular names that you hear very often from the students and from the teachers. So his name was one. And I was like, why is he sending me a friend request? So I accepted the friend request and then we started talking and then he was like,
I saw you on the freshers day.
And I was like, oh my god, please ये मत बोलना कि मैंने बहुत गंदा dance करा. But then he was like,
I saw your ramp walk, it was really good and I have few friends in different colleges like Amity and stuff and we can get you into the fashion shows that they do.
I was like, wow, really? And then he said,
but I missed your dance performance because I had some work to be done, so I left the auditorium.
I was like, oh, thanking my stars that मैं अपना मजाक नहीं बनवाना चाहती थी सीनियर्स के सामने. तो हॉट सीनियर ने मेरा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं देखा और मेरी इज्जत बच गई. और फिर उसके बाद we became friends and then thankfully he did not see my horrendous performance and I think we connected well and then he took me out on a date. It was a movie date. We went to watch The Lunchbox and he was really sweet, kind enough to like do all the chivalry gestures, like open the gate for me and stuff. He did. He was really chivalrous. Then I get a call in the middle of the movie from my father. And I was like, why is Papa calling me in the middle of the college? He knows I'm in my classes, like I should be in my classes, but I wasn't. I was like, why is Papa calling me? So I didn't take the call and then he called me again. Then I was like, but Papa को तो पता चला आंटी कि मैं क्लास में हूँ तो मैं फ़ोन नहीं उठा रही. But then I disconnected again. He called me again, and I was like,
Oh boy, I think I have to take the call. It might be some emergency.
then I went outside the theater and I took the call. Papa was like,
Come outside your college.
I was like,
Kyun?
he was like,
I have to get your signature on something.
and I was like,
Papa, I'm in my class. I can't come out of the college.
and then he was like,
No, you have to come. You have to come.
I'm like,
Papa, I'm inside the class. I can't come outside.
थोड़ा बहुत मैंने कन्विंस करने की कोशिश की, then वो मान गए थे. But I could sense something fishy. I could sense that they might have seen me walk out of the college because my house was just a block away. Like, I think someone saw me or someone recognized me when I was walking in the theater with my guy friend. He wasn't my boyfriend. It was just like getting to know each other and here, let's just start with a movie. So it was that. And I was so scared that what if my father saw me? So my mother seeing me is okay because I think I can deal with my mother. But my father seeing me with a guy, that would have gone wrong. Like real wrong. I was just hoping.
कि हे भगवान पापा ने ना देखा हो मुझे.
The movie was almost over when the call came. So I quickly asked him to drop me back to college, and after that I attended one class and I went back to my home. I asked my father,
क्या हुआ पापा, आप फोन कर रहे थे बार-बार, क्या साइन कराना था?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
I was like,
पर आप काफी अर्जेंटली बुला रहे थे तो कुछ तो.
नहीं बेटा, नहीं.
he just, I don't know, made some excuse or what, but he wasn't talking to me properly, nor was mom talking to me properly. And they were like,
Where did you go?
I was like,
अब नहीं होगा यार, अब क्या है, कैसे पता चल जाता है लोगों को. मैं तो like
I was so careful कि कोई मुझे देखे ना, कोई, it's just छुप आके भी करती हूँ, उसके बाद भी पता नहीं कैसे पता चल जाता है. Like, who saw me, who didn't see me, I have absolutely no idea. I just told them.
here I did go out with a friend of mine to watch a movie, and I did bunk college.
And then when I told them all this, they were like, they didn't know it. They were just suspecting something. I was like, shit, like, उनको कुछ नहीं पता था. वो लोग सिर्फ ऐसे ही डाउट कर रहे थे मेरे ऊपर, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे अच्छे बन के जा रही थी, सुंदर बन के जा रही थी. They had absolutely no idea that I had gone on a movie date with a friend of mine, and मैंने खुद ही बोल दिया. And then of course they like scolded me, and then they took my case, and again I was like grounded. I got silent treatment. Okay, so for Indian parents, they will hit you, abuse you, or just take out their frustration and anger on you. I think for all of us that's pretty common. But then for parents, Indian parents especially, to give you silent treatment, I think that it just takes it to another level. That just hits on another level. That's something that no Indian kid is prepared for. So they were giving me the silent treatment, and I can still take silent treatment from my mom because we've just had a bittersweet relationship. But from my father, it's like, oh boy, I really need to fix this shit. I was just going to watch a movie with a friend. It was as simple as that. Oh, but then I was so anxious while I was watching the movie. I was so anxious. Oh my god, they're gonna call me again. Oh my god, they're gonna just catch me red-handed. Oh my god, what if they just see me sitting here with him? I just had all sorts of thoughts, but they were just suspecting. लड़कों की वजह से मेरा जितना घर में मुझे डांट पड़ी है और जितना मुझे like सुनाया गया है, and I've been grounded so many times just because I had a guy friend, or I went out with a guy, or my relative or my parents just saw me with a guy. इतना हुआ है that I was just like, क्यों, like alien है क्या लड़के, मैं क्यों नहीं दोस्त बना सकती या मैं क्यों नहीं boyfriend बना सकती? What is there? So that was my teenage, like filled with anxiety and filled with questions. I'm sure maximum teenagers, Indian teenagers, go through this because parents are just such control freaks. I mean, no offense to parents out there or my parents. No offense to them, but they're just so controlling. I'm like, just let loose and let us live. Let us explore, please. Episode 3, an anxious movie date, comes to an end. I hope you guys liked this video. I really enjoyed sharing my story with you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow with another episode of Dates Gone Wrong. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you guys have any creative criticism, or if you guys just want to comment something good about me or about the story, you can just go ahead and comment section and comment and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow with another episode of Dates Gone Wrong. Okay, bye.
If I could make you see my wounded heart.